Hello, I hope you are doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand the data duplicate check. As we have seen in the earlier videos, data duplicate check is a part of the data completeness check. So when we are dealing with the big data processing, duplicate records can arise from various stages, like ingestion from multiple sources and as a part of the ETL workflows. And if there are any unexpected system errors, in those cases, duplicate records may arise. But the question is, are the duplicate records good or bad? What do you think? Let us find out. What happens is, whenever you are ingesting the data from multiple sources, as you know, as a part of any data engineering project, we do collect the data from different platforms or systems. So whenever collecting the data from different platforms or systems, duplicate entries can occur due to overlapping data sets or variations in the synchronization of the data. So we are trying to understand what may cause the data duplication. So this is one of the reasons. As I said, duplicate are good or bad? They're not good. They're bad. Why are they bad? Because duplicates would lead to higher storage costs, and also because there is a duplicate, the processing time also increases substantially. Apart from increased storage costs and higher processing time, duplicates also lead to inaccurate reporting, inefficiencies, inconsistencies in business processes. Let us take a simple example here. Let us say you have a data with duplicates. Okay, you have 10 records. I'm just taking this hypothetical example, 4 up to 10. Okay, let us say total number of values are 10. Now, within that, couple of them happens to be duplicate. Then, as you know, the mean would be different. Whenever you have a duplicate, it is simply introducing inaccuracy. That is the reason we have to remove the duplicates. So, in order to ensure the duplicates are removed, duplicate check will help to detect and eliminate the duplicates, which is essential to maintain the data integrity and reliability. So if you remove the duplicate, it ensures that accuracy and trustworthiness of the data, and that in turn helps in right downstream analytics and reporting. Some of the other aspects of the data duplicate check are it ensures that primary key and unique key in individual columns or combinations of columns maintain their uniqueness. See what happens if they don't, right? It is going to be difficult to join the tables. There'll be inaccuracies. So duplicate check ensures primary key and unique key are unique. And duplicate check is a critical process in validating the integrity and quality of the data within a system. For example, let us say you are talking about employees or you're talking about students. So you may have employees with the same name. So then how do you ensure there is a uniqueness? By bringing in another dimension or another column. Okay. Combination of phone number and name would give the uniqueness. That is how you ensure there is no duplicacy. Wonderful then. We understood data duplicate check as a part of the data completeness. Thank you.